Hello everyone, my name is Sammy Cotter. I'm a third year Management and Business Economics major. And today we're going to be going over how to install UC Merced's VPN network. So first thing you want to do is go to it.ucmerced.edu/services and scroll all the way down till you see Virtual Private Network, VPN, Remote Access. Just going to click on that and click on Self-Service. Now, when we get here, we'll find out that there are two VPN networks that UC Merced currently has, as they are transitioning from their old one to their new one. So if you were to click on this link, you can get to their new one, which would be the ideal one, as the old one, which is a kind of hidden link right here, will be decommissioned in May 2020. So let's first start off with installing the newest one. The reason for installing both is because one, which is the newest one, currently still doesn't have access to the Movies Merced page, which is more of an entertainment thing, while this link does. So let's hop into it. I'm going to click on here, scroll down, install on your computer, and choose whichever operating system works for your computer. So mine is Windows. I'll click on that. It has a pretty nice tutorial on how to go about it, but this will just be more of a video format tutorial. So I'm just going to click on step 2. And go over here. Going to click on the download whichever one works for your operating system. All right, now that it's completed downloading, what we want to do is just click on it. It'll prompt us to a setup wizard. This is pretty much just choose where you want it to be installed, whichever folder. I'll just have it on the default folder. Click on next. It'll ask you to make if you want to make changes to the device. I'm not sure if you can see that on my screen or not, but you're just going to click on yes. And you're just going to close out. And now on the bottom, it'll prompt this. What you're going to type into here is vpn.ucmerced.edu, and you're going to hit connect. Type in your credentials. And now you're going to type in your credentials one more time. So and now you'll be officially connected. What you'll do is if you click on the bottom taskbar, you can see this little circle and it says connected. If you click on it, it'll pretty much just tell you that you're connected. All right, now we're going to get into the next one. Now I already have the next one downloaded onto my computer, so I'll be given an error when installing it, but the steps I can give should be pretty easy to follow. So you're just going to copy paste that link into here. And what you'll be prompted with is this page. Hit on VPN, log on. Now those will be the same credentials that you use for your other accounts. This is pretty much just saying like that this will be decommissioned, and I get this kind of error right here when it comes to downloading it. I already have it installed. What you want to do is just continue forth with it and make sure that it does download to your computer. Eventually you will get to a point where you see something like this, where it says Cisco AnyConnect. So it's the same thing in the taskbar. It will look just like this. It'll look just like this. You're gonna just make sure drop down menus on Janice or Giannis, however you want to pronounce it. Hit connect. It'll ask you for the exact credentials as you used before. Accept, and you'll be connected. Now, to access the Movies Merced page, you can only be connected to one of the VPN networks, so you just disconnect from the other one. And so if you were to open up a new tab, go movies.ucmerced.edu, you'll now have access to all of these movies. Hope you guys enjoy and have fun with these movies. A lot of new movies that are on here, so hopefully that helps pass the time with quarantine and all. Make sure you all stay safe, and thank you.